Hey guys, this is Mara and welcome back to my Art Break Life. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded anything. It's been a little crazy. Just want to be transparent here. I went on a trip with my family and it was really an amazing trip. I enjoyed myself and honestly, it's hard to get back to real life once you come back from a trip like that. And then just things got busy with the kids going back to school, being not in school because spring break was right after that because we decided to go before spring break because we didn't want to hit all the spring break crowds. It was really hard for me to get my head back into filming and back into art because art is something I really need to focus in on, and I've been all over the place since I got back. I remembered that I was supposed to do a part 2 of my fountain pen haul, right? The first one I had my first 3 pens, my unicorn pens that I opened up and inked up, and it was really fun, and I was using them up until the point that I left, and I hope you're still interested in seeing them because I like a good fountain pen haul, or any kind of haul. So the first pen I'm going to open up today is the Monteverde USA. This is a numbered limited edition pen. We're going to open it up here. This is number 122, I believe, out of 1,999. Pretty cool number if I should say so myself. I don't remember what it looks like at this point because it's been so long since I ordered it, but I believe I got it because it had the carbon fiber look about it and I wanted to check that out. We're going to open this up here. So it has a nice pretty box with this, like those jewelry box type things. And oh my god, is it upside down? Which way is up? Oh, here, this way is up. Okay. So it just says Monteverde USA on the top. And we're going to open this up here. This is an Innova 20th anniversary pen, as the packaging says on here. And here is the pen that came inside this box. I thought it was really pretty. It does have that unicorn rainbow detail going on here and all the little metal pieces, but that carbon fiber black makes it look really sexy as a pen. And it actually came with a little bit of ink here, so that's kind of cool. It's just I think it's just black. But let me take this pen out of the box. And it also came with this little pin here. It's the shape of the pen. And it just says Monteverde USA, and it has a little rainbow, the rainbow trim on it, like the pen has, and the black carbon fiber. So I thought that was pretty cool. The ink looks like a standard black ink, nothing fancy, and I've never heard of Innova, and I'm so sorry if there's any kind of history with this pen or in what Innova means. I'm so sorry. I should have researched it beforehand, but I got this ink with this. And so here is the pen itself. It does say right here on the pen cap, it says 20th anniversary Monteverde, which is really pretty here. So as you can see, it has this rainbow unicorn metal all along the clip, on the trim pieces, and on the top of the cap it's just black. I believe it has the M for Monteverde on the top here. And this pen just snaps off, and wow, look at that nib. Hope you can see it in the camera, but it is that same rainbow metal with the Omniflex tip. So it bends very easily. It's a softer writing nib, but yeah, I got this pen because of the rainbow, but also this black carbon fiber looks really nice in here. And this untwists like so, and you have your ink cartridge here. You just gotta untwist it and you can fill that up. So that's pretty cool. I'm not sure what color ink I want to put in here yet. I kind of don't want to go with black because that's kind of boring, but I don't know. We'll see about how I feel about this once I open up the rest of the pens. And the cap just clips onto the back, just pushes on like that, and it has a very nice weight to it. It's not super heavy of a pen, but it's heavy enough where you feel like it has a nice balance to it. But this carbon fiber looks super nice with this rainbow material here. So this is the Monteverde 20th anniversary Innova pen, limited edition pen. So the next pen I chose was the Regatta Abalone Shell pen. This also says carbon fiber limited edition stubs. So we'll see what this one looks like. Again, I don't remember what these look like because it's been so long since I got them. So we'll open this up here. Oh, and it is pen number 967 out of 1999. So pretty cool. I like that number there. And yeah, so it's a nice little green jewelry box here. And then we open this up. There is the pen. Now this one is a little bit, it's almost like it has a little bit of all the pens combined that I chose. So this has a little bit of the abalone shell and carbon fiber, but no rainbow. Shucks, if it only had a little rainbow, right? But I think it would have been super gaudy if it had rainbow. So it has just silver trim on here. It's a very nice weighty pen. And the silver trim is kind of a darker silver. It's not a bright silver. So that's pretty cool. And when you opened it, oh, well, that's fun. I just found that out. It's actually a magnetic closure. So it doesn't clip, it doesn't twist, but it has a magnet that just kind of pulls the cap in on itself. So that's really nice. And I wonder if it does the same with the top. Yes, it does. Oh my God, that's so exciting. Only a pen enthusiast would get excited about something like that, right? But yeah, it has a magnet and it just slips right on there. Oh, that's so cool. So this is the Regatta Monteverde, and it has the carbon fiber again, the abalone, very cool. And in the tip, I believe I got the medium tip. So it's not the Omniflex, but it does have a fatter nib at the top. And it's just the plain dark silver color. So pretty nice pen here. Very fancy. And I can't wait to put some ink into this. This is just such a fun pen. Just for the cap. Like, wow, I wish all the pens had caps like that. No, I didn't know this existed. So that's kind of something I want to look for in the future. Oh, and the front of the pen has a little M emblem on the top, which stands for Monteverde. But yeah, this has a nice, it's a heavier weight than the other pen, but it still is not super heavy where it weighs down your hand. But yeah, it has a nice feeling to it. Nothing's bumpy on here, so it doesn't get in the way when I hold it. So that's kind of good. So yeah, we'll see better when I start using it more and when I fill it up with ink again. I don't know what kind of ink I'm going to fill it with, so down in the comments, let me know what color ink I should fill it here, you know, because I got so many. So, and the last pen I got in this haul is the Monteverde pen again. I guess I didn't look at the brands when I was picking these, so I guess these were just the ones that happened to be catching my eye for whatever reason, and the price wasn't too scary. And so this is the Monteverde Ritma pen, special edition, annual collection edition, carbon fiber 2022. So my first haul was like kind of like a rainbow unicorn haul, and this is more like a carbon fiber haul. And so this is what I picked for this one. This is not a limited edition, but it is a special edition design. So we'll open this up here. This one has just a standard plastic case, nothing like a fancy jewelry box, but takes up less space in the jewelry box. That's kind of nice, right? And this is what it looks like on the inside here. It says Ritma Monte Magnetic Clip. Oh, wait, let me just... Oh. Ritma Magnetic Cap. Oh my God, this has a magnetic cap too. I'm kind of excited. I didn't even know about that until just now, so this is kind of exciting. So underneath here, oh look, we got some ink cartridges in here that came with it, and then the instructions on how, I guess, their Conklin collections and stuff. But we don't need to worry about that. We want to look at the pen, right? So here is the Monteverde Ritma pen. This one is a little bit plainer than the other one. It's just a black carbon fiber body with a dark silver cap and no trim. And this has that magnetic cap like it said it did. Ooh, did you hear that? Ooh, that closes nice. I'm probably gonna be playing with that more than using this pen. That's nice. And so anyway, it came with, I ordered it with the medium-sized nib instead of the thin nib because I have a lot of thin nibs. So, and then this goes on the back, and it's magnet too. Yes, I love that sound. I love the way that goes on there. It's really nice. And this is a very smooth bodied pen, nothing fancy about it, but the ridges of the pen does not get in the way of how I hold the pen, so that's very good. So far, all the pens I've gotten hasn't been a problem, but I've had some in the past where the ridge would get in the way and it was just uncomfortable to hold the pen. But anyway, these are the last 3 pens I got from my last haul because I just wanted to give some time to the first pens that I pulled out and use them and really get to know them before I busted out the new one. And I forgot about the free ink promo when I got these pens. So I had gotten 2 more inks. So I got the Private Reserve Blue Suede and the Private Reserve Ebony Green. So we're going to be trying these inks out today. I'm not sure I'm going to be putting it in the pen. And I also picked up Noodler's ink 54th. Let's see, I don't remember what color this was. I think it's a blue color, but 54th Massachusetts ink. So we're gonna test this out. I'm not sure I'm gonna put this in the pen again because I kind of like the dual chrome or dual tone pen colors at the moment. So, but yeah, we're gonna be trying these inks out as well. So here we go.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.